Pipili daw si Chanel ng bag, ha? Kanina pa ako kinukulit. Pagbigyan na natin. Oh, go. Pili na. At ako ay magtatanggal ng... Tatanggalin ko naman yung laman nito kasi ito yung ginamit ko yesterday. Andito yung ibang gamit ko. So, what do you want me to wear that fits my outfit? That one? Are you sure?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you wear? I want to
Dito,
see.
wala kang gusto dito. This one, dito. Baka may gusto ka. Look at Mommy's outfit. I'm wearing blue. I'm wearing blue.
This is blue.
That is blue. Or maybe you can choose white, blue, or something pink. What do you want? This one? Are you sure? Or maybe you want this one?
A bag. This one.
What?
A bag.
It's a backpack.
I want a backpack.
A backpack? Sa office pupunta si Mami. Hindi naman ako hindi naman ako mag-mall. I'm going to the office, so I need to be
Pink.
I thought you want this one. I thought you like this. Bago isip mo?
What's your poop?
Ano? This one? Oh, I will sukat it. Oh, wait. I will wear it and then you choose, okay? This one. Oh, here. Adjust ko lang. Saan siya? Oh. Here. Or, this is your first choice. So, what do you want? Ito? Agree kayo nga, guys. Oh, agree ba kayo sa gusto ni Chanel? Ito daw. Then this one. Chanel talaga. Oh. Siyempre, sinong magwawagi?
Because
Edi yung bata.
I like small.
You like small.
Because I'm 5.
Pagbigyan na natin. Guys, cool lang. So, wow! Ni! May baon! Pero ininuman niya. Inubos na rin siya. Love you. Bye-bye.